Hey guys, and this time we install the rear bumper, and we can find that there comes a rear fender, which is big project. So this we need to make a notice. As we can see, there comes a rear fender which need to cut these parts. So how to install it? So first step, we need to take the rear fender and to make sure which parts need to cut. And when we confirm the size, we need to make some notice and then cut the parts which is not including for the rear fender. And meanwhile, we will find the oil fill tank. This is need to remove from the original cars, like this part. It's from the original car. So we need to remove this one to install these parts. This right rear fender is already done, and we can find the fitment. It's good lock. And after that, we will do some fitting to make sure it's complete one set, one kit. So let's check the details. Move the camera in advance. And we can find it's very easy to install the rear oil tank. It's just to remove the screws and install the screws to the new rear fenders we make. It's better to finish assemble for the rear bumper first before we install to the car. That's much easier to install the chrome parts. So after install the rear bumper, we need to install the tail lamp. We can find the size is perfect installation for the rear bumper of the tail lamp. So this is the right side, and we need to finish the left side after a while. And after that, we need to stomp by the screws here. So keep the attention for the videos. We are going to install the side mirror right now. Let's back to the front facelift. We can find we almost already finished the hood, the fender, the front bumper, the headlights, the front grille, and now the step is the side mirror. It's floatable side mirror, which is W222 design. And first of all, we need to remove the original side mirror, which is the older design that looks very ugly. So we need to make the new set to make it complete new. So first step, we need to remove it, and the next step is connect the wires and to make sure it's powerful to floatable.
to